Welcome to the EN English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, January 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex. How are you doing today?
Hi, David. I am okay, thank you. I am just a little tired this morning. I need a strong coffee.
Me too. I am very sleepy. The traffic was terrible today. It took me 45 minutes to get here. Usually it takes 20 minutes.
That is a long time. I am lucky I live near the office, so I walk here. It takes 10 minutes.
You are very lucky. I need to move closer to the office. So is the coffee machine working?
Yes, it is working, but it is very slow today. Look, the light is blinking.
Oh no, I hope it works. I really need caffeine. I have a big meeting with a client at 10 o'clock.
Is it a new client?
Yes, a new client from Chicago. They want to buy 500 units of our product. It is a big deal.
Wow, 500 units. That is great for the company. Good luck with the meeting.
Thanks. I am a little nervous, but I am ready. By the way, did you see the news yesterday?
I saw some headlines on my phone. Which news are you talking about?
I read an article in the New York Times. It was from January 12. It is about space.
Space? You mean like astronauts and rockets?
Yes. The article is called the Orbit Tax Initiative. It is very interesting. The United Nations wants to create a new tax.
A tax on what?
A tax on satellites. Companies that launch satellites into space must pay money. They say space is full of trash.
I understand. There is a lot of debris in space. Old satellites and parts of rockets. It is dangerous.
Exactly. The article says there are 10,000 pieces of junk up there. So the UN wants companies to pay 5% of their profit to clean it up.
That sounds like a good idea. We need to keep space clean. If we don't, we cannot launch new satellites.
Yes, but the companies are angry. They say it is too expensive. They say the internet will cost more money for us.
That is a problem. If the companies pay more, we pay more. But someone needs to fix the problem. Who will pay if the companies do not pay?
That is the big question. It is a big fight between the governments and the tech companies. I think the companies have enough money.
I agree. They make billions of dollars. They can pay a little to clean up their mess. It is like littering on the street.
You are right. It is just like that. Well, speaking of technology and strange things, did you see the story in the Wall Street Journal?
No, I missed that one. What is it about?
It was published on January 13. The title is Dreamstream Subscriptions. It sounds like a science fiction movie.
Dreamstream? What does that mean?
It is a new device. You wear it when you sleep. It records your dreams.
Wait, really? It records what you see in your sleep?
Yes. And then in the morning, you can watch your dream on your phone. You can even stream it to your friends.
That is crazy. I'm not sure I like that. Dreams are very personal.
I know. The article says it is very popular with young people. They want to share everything. But privacy experts are worried.
I understand why. Imagine if someone hacks your dreams. They can see your secrets. That is very scary.
I agree. Also, sometimes I have nightmares. I do not want to watch my nightmares again in the morning.
Me neither. And I do not want my boss to see my dreams. Imagine if I dream about work.
Yes, that would be terrible. Sorry, boss. I dreamt I was at the beach, not at the office.
Exactly. Technology is moving too fast. Sometimes we need to stop and think, is this necessary?
I think it is just for fun, but it is dangerous. The article says the subscription costs $15 a month.
$15 to watch my own brain? No, thank you. I prefer to sleep and forget.
Me too. I like to keep my dreams in my head. But hey, talking about relaxing, I saw a story in USA Today that you might like.
Oh, what is it? Is it about culture?
Yes, it is about schools and families. It was published on January 14. The headline is No More Homework Law.
No homework? Is that real?
Yes, it is real. The state of California passed a new law. No homework for children under 12 years old.
Wow, that is a big change. When I was a child, I had 2 hours of homework every day.
Me too. I hated it. The article says the government wants kids to play more, they want families to spend time together in the evening.
That sounds nice. Children work hard at school all day. They are tired at 4 p.m.
Exactly. My sister lives in California. She has 2 kids. She is very happy. She says now they can go to the park after school.
But what do the teachers say? Are they happy?
The article says the teachers are divided. Some teachers like it. They say homework causes stress. But other teachers are worried.
Why are they worried?
They think that children will not learn enough. They say practice is important for math and reading.
I see both sides. Practice is important, but mental health is also important. If kids are stressed, they cannot learn.
That is true. I think 12 years old is a good age. When they are teenagers, they can have homework. But little kids need to play.
I agree. Play is learning too. They learn social skills. They learn to be creative.
Yes. And parents are happy because they don't have to fight with their kids about homework every night.
That is a big benefit. Even here in the office, we need a break. We cannot work 24 hours a day.
You are right. That is why we are here at the coffee machine. Speaking of coffee, my cup is finally full.
Mine too. It smells good. I feel better now.
So, what is your plan for the day, Alex? Are you busy?
Yes, I am very busy. I have to finish the project plan for the new marketing campaign. The deadline is tomorrow.
Oh, that is tight. Do you need help?
No, I am okay. I just need to focus. I have a meeting with the design team at 11 o'clock. Then I need to write the report.
You are always organized. I am sure it will be great.
Thank you, David, and you. After your big meeting with the Chicago client, what will you do?
I have to write the contract. Then I need to call 5 other potential clients. Sales never stops.
It sounds exhausting. You talk to people all day.
I like it. I like talking. But sometimes I get tired of my own voice.
Well, at least you have coffee now.
Yes. This coffee saves my life every morning. Hey, are you coming to the team lunch on Friday?
Yes, I think so. Where are we going?
We are going to the Italian restaurant on Main Street. The pizza there is amazing.
Oh, I love that place. Their pasta is also very good. What time is the lunch?
It is at 1 o'clock. Put it in your calendar.
I will do it right now. Thanks for reminding me. It is nice to relax with the team.
Yes, it is. We work hard, so we need to eat well.
Absolutely. Well, look at the time. It is almost 9 o'clock.
You are right. We've been talking for a long time. The boss will look for us.
I better go back to my desk. My computer is waiting for me.
Good luck with your project plan. Alex, I hope the design team is helpful.
Thanks, David. Good luck with your client from Chicago. Sell those 500 units.
I will try my best. Have a good morning.
You too. See you later at lunch, maybe?
Yes, see you later. Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.